Today we're going to take a peek into the future and discuss 10 ways technology is set to change by the year 2025. So grab your favorite snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. 1. Artificial intelligence. First up, let's talk about artificial intelligence. By 2025, AI is expected to become even more integrated into our daily lives. From personalized shopping experiences to advanced healthcare diagnostics, AI will revolutionize the way we interact with technology. 2. Internet of Things IoT. Next, the Internet of Things. Imagine a world where your home, car, and even your city are all connected. By 2025, IoT will create a seamless network of devices that communicate with each other, making our lives more efficient and convenient. 3. 5G technology. 5G technology. By 2025, 5G networks will be the norm, offering lightning-fast speeds and ultra-low latency. This will pave the way for innovations like autonomous vehicles and immersive virtual reality experiences. 4. Quantum computing. Get ready for the era of quantum computing. By 2025, we can expect significant advancements in quantum computing power, enabling complex calculations that were once thought impossible. This will revolutionize industries like finance, healthcare, and cybersecurity. 5. Augmented reality. Augmented reality is set to take center stage by 2025. From interactive learning experiences to enhanced gaming environments, AR will blur the lines between the physical and digital worlds, creating endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. 6. Biometric security. Say goodbye to passwords and hello to biometric security. By 2025, biometric authentication methods like facial recognition and fingerprint scanning will become the standard, providing a more secure and seamless way to access our devices and data. 7. Sustainable technology. In a world facing environmental challenges, sustainable technology will be paramount by 2025. From renewable energy solutions to eco-friendly manufacturing processes, technology will play a crucial role in creating a more sustainable future for generations to come. The rise of robotics and automation will continue to transform industries by 2025. From autonomous drones delivering packages to robots assisting in healthcare, these technologies will streamline processes and increase efficiency in various sectors. The rise of robotics and automation will continue to transform industries by 2025. From autonomous drones delivering packages to robots assisting in healthcare, these technologies will streamline processes and increase efficiency in various sectors. By 2025, technology will revolutionize the healthcare industry with personalized treatments and diagnostics. From wearable health trackers to genetic testing, advancements in technology will enable healthcare professionals to provide more tailored and effective care to patients. Lastly, as technology continues to evolve, the importance of privacy and ethics will be at the forefront of discussions by 2025. Regulations and guidelines will need to adapt to ensure that technology is used responsibly and ethically to benefit society as a whole. And there you have it, folks. 10 ways technology is set to change by the year 2025. Which of these advancements are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future.